Hi guys, I have got very interesting job notification. It is a permanent job notification which is under the central government. So the government is Export Import Bank of India. So it is a premier financial institution under the government of India. Only online applications, no offline or speed post application is required. So last date is 14th June 2026. So maximum they are saying that tentative written for the examination tentative month will be in July only. So whatever the updates you need, you will get only through the website www.eximbankindia.in at the rate of careers. So the total number of vacancies are 5 vacancies. 4 is for the unreserved category and 1 is for the OBC non-creamy layer. So the in the management trainee for the human resource management, total 3 posts are available. For this, the educational qualification is 60% in the graduation and post-graduation 60% with the MBA or PGDBA or PGDBM or MMS in the specialization of human resource management or personal management. So, and one more thing is, if you have done your post graduation as open or external or distance learning, you are not eligible to apply for this. And the remaining 2 positions are for the administration roles, which the educational qualification is 60% is in the graduation and post graduation with the MBA or PGDBA, PGDBM, MS in the specialization of hotel and hospitality management or facilities management with 60% in the post graduation also. Here they are giving that you can also have 60% in the BTech in civil engineering and post graduation from the MBA, PGDBA, PGDBM or MMS in any discipline also you can apply here. For the administrative roles only, the BTech candidates are eligible. Also, the final year the students who have appeared in their final year exams also eligible to apply for this, but you need to have the proper documents before the interview, I think. Also, they are asking for the students who have excellent communication skills. So yeah, the age limit is mainly 28 years for the general category and for the remaining 31 years. Also, the reservation is applied. So yeah, is there any pay? What you are waiting for is after the training of 1 year, you will be appointed as deputy manager or junior manager in the field of junior management JM1 as deputy manager. So the training period will be for 1 year. During the training period, you will get a monthly stipend of 65,000, but there will not be any allowances during your training. Once you have completed your training of 1 year, you will be eligible as deputy manager. Then your basic salary will be 48,480 rupees. Every year it increases by, in the first year it increases by 2,000, then it will be 62,480, then it will be it increases with 2,340, then it becomes 67,160, increases with 2,680, and finally your basic pay will be 85,920 rupees. So yeah, actually I want to say about the bank employees. Actually, I have been listening one of the Ankur Warko, the famous YouTuber. So he's saying that the only PF of the bank manager at the time of his retirement will be minimum to minimum 1 to 2 CR. So do not neglect the bank jobs, guys. So yeah, after completion of the training of 1 year, you will be eligible for allowances, prerequisites, and benefits. You will be given for the residential accommodation. If there is no availability of accommodation, they will provide any leased accommodation scheme also for you. Also, there are schemes for granting loans for housing, vehicle, personal computer, children education. So it is a bank job, so you will also get different types of loans for your things. only online application only. So yeah, application fees is 600 for the general and OBC candidates and 100 for the SC, ST, PWD and EWS candidates. There will be written test and personal interview. After your written test, you will be called, if you are shortlisted, you will be called for the personal interview. Also, the main point I have to say you is, if you have any default in loan repayment or CIBIL database, if your name appears in the CIBIL database as defaulter, so you are not applicable or eligible to join this, because you are the one who is going to lead the bank and you are not, you are one of the defaulter, means it is not ethical to apply actually. Also, one more thing is, there is a personal bond you need to uh, write during your starting of the year, like before joining as a management trainee. You need to sign for the bond of 3 lakhs, and also for serving 5 years as employee, as regular employee after completion of your 1 year training program. So this is for the candidates who have found like doing misconduct or in the examinations like that. This is for the general instructions to the candidates. As usual, it will be same for every examination, identity verification. So yeah, once while applying for the exam, you need to note this point. There will not be any request for the change of center. Also, you need to appear for the exam at your own cost only. Also, at your risks only. There will not be any like a TA or DA for this. Structure of the written test will be in 2 parts. First is, in the first part, subject matter knowledge based on the HR or admission. There will be only one question. You need to answer that one compulsorily. So the maximum marks is 40 marks. And part 2 will be, there will be choice of 2 questions. You need to attempt any 6 of the 8 questions. So the maximum marks will be 60. So the total marks is 100 marks, and the total duration of exam will be 2.5 hours. Mm, yeah, the final list will be based on both the written exam and interviews, with the weightage of 70% to the examination and 30% to the interview basis. Also, if you are a reserved candidate, you can avail for the pre-recruitment training. Also, this is for those if you are physically handicapped and need to apply for the scribe, you can go through the next previous page. Also, they have given the complete details of how to apply the registration, how to pay, how is the payment of process and document scanning and everything. There is very detailed explanation. I don't want to waste your time by reading all this. So yeah, you just go through it. It's very simple because they have explained in very clearly with everything. So yeah, that's it, guys. Do not neglect the job notifications, which are rare, and government job notifications, because you will be having one of the peaceful jobs, which I have heard from one of my friends who is doing as a deputy manager in Union Bank. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more vacancy updates.